Welcome back to Energy Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to remove sticky grease from your cabinets, especially when everything else has failed. I'm excited to get up in here because it looks clean, doesn't it? No. Wait till we get in there. Now, you certainly could use a Bissell steam shot. I made an entire video on that. I can link it in the description box below, but many of you probably don't have that, although I do love that. You could get yourself some Dawn Power Wash and Dawn dish soap. I like that, but what I'm going to show you here today cuts that grease even better, and it's going to save you time and it's affordable. If you've watched any of my other cleaning and life hack videos, you know the magic of some Goo Gone. Mama of 4 loves her Goo Gone, but today we're going in with this all-purpose cleaner. This works great as well, but we're going to be using this Surface Safe just in case. Citrus power, concentrated for powerful cleaning. Got a glove on here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray. I'm gonna spray directly on this microfiber towel because I want to control my application. I always test an inconspicuous area first per the label. I'm gonna go right around here. Look at, you're like, oh Andrea, you don't have any grease around your cabinets. Ha ha ha, you just wait, my friend. So I'm gonna go ahead, wipe this around, get it nice and saturated on all your problem areas. You certainly can just spray it on if you want to do that, but I like this a little bit better, like right in here, these places. Now here's the fun part. Get yourself a credit card, a Scotty peeler, or this little kitchen thing right here. I noticed this cabinet has it the worst. Can you see? Yes, can you see right in there? You're gonna take your little cleaner and you're going to get up all that grease that is caked on. Now if it just wipes away with the cloth, you're good to go. But in my case, this is stuck on. Right in here, yes. Right here where this cabinet opens and you can see. Can you see, right? All that dark on the white. Let's see if the camera's gonna pick it up. Yes, so again, make sure that you saturate the area and then go in with your little scraper and scrape off all that grease that's been harbored in your cabinets. Inside the cabinet, do you see that how this is a little bit discolored? Yellow, oh, let's see, get you in there. Yep, right there. There's a grease spot. So you're gonna go ahead, again, take your cleaner, and this one is wiping off really nicely. I don't use the scraper if I don't need to. See all this in here? I got it wet with my Goo Gone, and then I'm just gonna go in and get this out. Oh, nasty. See it coming up? Can you see that coming up? That's so satisfying. And then you can go back in and wipe it away. Can you see right here? It's super sticky. The hood. Take this solution right here. Again, the Dawn works great, but I think this works even better, especially when it comes to that tough on grease. Now, if you have an older home or you just do a ton of cooking in your house, or maybe your cabinets have never been cleaned, I would go in with this stuff right here. Anything I talk about is linked in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now. Kitchen cleaning life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.